In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to pay bills with Afterpay and whether or not it is possible to do this. I'm going to be showing this process through the Afterpay website, but you can also attempt this through the mobile app if you wish. First of all, if you are on the website, you can scroll all the way down, and in here you will be able to find the support page for Afterpay when you select help. As you can see, on the support page, they have a section dedicated to how do payments work. In here, they're going over the process of how Afterpay works and what you can use Afterpay on. If you read through this article, you will notice that while they describe the process and they talk about how you can use Afterpay on any retailer that accepts for interest-free payments, you will notice that nowhere in here is a mention of paying bills with Afterpay. Even if you look for bills at the search bar at the top of the screen, you will notice that none of the categories fit the question that we're trying to answer. As of today, sadly, it is impossible to pay bills with Afterpay. The only functionality of Afterpay is to browse through the retailers they have available, choose between one of these stores, and purchase products from them using the feature. Paying bills is not accepted within Afterpay, and it is impossible to do so. If you scroll through this page or through the mobile app, you won't be able to find a way to pay your bills with Afterpay. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to answer the question of whether or not it is possible to pay bills with Afterpay. If this video cleared up your question, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.